The Coolsculpt story. Coolsculpting by Zeltiq is a device that permanently destroys fat cells without surgery. The device is applied to your skin, it self-adheres, and it takes about an hour per area. Cryolipolysis refers to freezing the fat to a point where it breaks down. It was developed by Harvard scientists in 2008 and it was initially available only in Europe and it's been FDA approved in the United States since 2010. It freezes fat cells to death. The fat cells' remnants are absorbed by your body through a natural process similar to absorbing a bruise. It takes about a month minimum and up to 4 months maximum to see the final results. And the results are permanent. The fat cells are gone. And this is the first ever FDA-approved device to permanently destroy fat cells non-invasively. It's selective to fat cells and has been proven not to affect the blood vessels, the connective tissue, the nerves, or the skin, and there's not been a single case of permanent skin injury worldwide. This is an example of a before and after single Coolsculpt procedure of the lower abdomen. The before is on the left and the after is on the right. This is another patient with the same procedure done, before on the left and after on the right. Another patient before on the left, after on the right. This is a patient at 6 weeks, before on the left and after on the right, single cycle. And same patient at 3 months. You can see her continuing to shrink. Before on the left and after on the right at 5 weeks. Before on the left and after on the right at 6 weeks. Same patient from a side view. Before on the left and after the right. This is a common area to be treated, the fat in the back. There's an average of 20 to 25% reduction of fat thickness in a single treatment. Is it permanent? Yes, it is. It's similar to liposuction. You can still gain weight, but the fat cells are gone, so that area treated is resistant to fat gain. Does it hurt? The device has substantial suction, so you feel intense suction, and then it goes away in about 5 or 10 minutes as it gets numb. You don't need to take pain pills or have a driver or anything of this nature. What are the side effects, the risks? Well, it's a very safe procedure. There's some discomfort and swelling for a few days, typically like a minor bruise. Some numbness for any amount of time can last up to a month, but generally not very long at all. There's never been a case of permanent skin injury, and there's no permanent damage to any tissues besides your fat cells. There's some redness for hours to days, and you may bruise, and rarely people have had discomfort lasting more than a few days. How big is an area? A cycle is the size of your hand approximately, and it takes 60 minutes. Now there's a new double-decker, or double cycle device that's equivalent to 2.6 cycles, and it takes the same 1 hour.